Hello and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to enable dark mode in the Shazam app on your Android phone. This simple change can help reduce eye strain and save battery life, especially at night. Let's get started and make your app look better. First, open the Shazam app on your Android device. Once the app opens, tap on the library icon located at the top left corner. Inside the library section, tap the settings icon. Now, scroll down through the settings until you see an option labeled Appearance. Tap on Appearance. You'll see theme options here. Finally, choose Dark Theme from the available options. The app will instantly switch to dark mode. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode in the Shazam app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Android tips.